How to make ChatGPT stop saying certainly. First of all, go ahead and open ChatGPT application itself onto your device. Tap on these two horizontal lines on the top left corner. Then tap on your profile icon right next to this magnifying glass, which is located on the top right corner. From here, head to this personalization option. Then you will find this custom instruction box over here. Tap on this and you should be able to type in your custom instructions. Now all you have to do is simply type in never use filter words like certainly. Now you type this, all you have to do is tap on the tick mark and your custom instruction will be provided to the ChatGPT itself, and it will no longer respond to your prompts with the word certainly. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.